Hey everybody. Okay, hi. I'm at Vintage Warehouse, not Market, but Vintage Warehouse of Spartanburg. I should tell you I'm Kristen if she paints. And I'm using Hey Sailor, I know that much. I'm gonna de-on this up in here, around the edges. This is my apothecary. My dusty. Because I do need to have, I'm gonna have wood peeking through, but not where it's gonna be if I don't get a good couple coats on there. I'm gonna get this on here and just let it be dry. This is apothecary. People want to know the colors. Let's bring it on. The first coat was mint chip, it looks like. No, I think it's old 57. This curves. This is an Ethan Allen piece I got. Did you know you can't do all the things? I'm just letting y'all know, just in case you thought you might could. Turns out you can't. You can't do all the things. Actually, maybe you can. I can't. It's very annoying. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Hey Sailor now. Look how delicious that is. Can you see that? I'm gonna turn that towards you. I'm gonna drag the camera on the table. Y'all. This is not me bragging on myself, this is the thing. That's gonna be fantastic. I'm just gonna put this on there. Not any plan, rhyme or reason, I'm just gonna go both directions because that's magical. Maybe do right there. I'm gonna spray that with hot water. The water helps it blends, reactivates it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and then maybe I'll drag it a little bit more. When people say they blend with a putty knife, that's what this is. This is one thing you just cannot get with a brush. Because the brush will blend it beautifully, which is we want that, but not in this case. Ooh, baby. That's pretty. That's all we're gonna need, people. I believe. Side. Focus, Kristen. Finish the thing. Here we go. So good. I wanted the Hey Sailor to kind of ground it and make it a more of a traditional color. No, that's not a definition. But to me, it's more like it's kind of a true blue, almost a navy. I am going to do a class, an online class again, and it'll be this because it's yummy. Let me know where you're from, because I love that. It makes me feel important too. If it's somewhere far away. If you're from, you know, New Zealand, Australia, the UK, Africa, that would be cool. All right, I'm gonna spray this and put my around this. I'll get caught in. I like to use the putty knife when you want sort of a raw, just more organic kind of distressing. Love it. Ooh, that's nice. I wasn't thinking drippy, but now I think I might. My affiliate link in the comments after this is over in case someone's watching who's never tried the deliciousness. Alright, here's the difference in a brush and a putty knife. Can you see that? This is fabulous as well, but I'm gonna do, since this is kind of traditional lines on this, I think I'm gonna do it a little bit raw and it'll be a nice little contrast. That's it. Random. I always worried about, like, are you supposed to put it right there? There's no supposed to. That's what's so fun and amazing and freeing about this paint. Do you feel like an artist? even if you're not. You're creating art and you didn't even know you could. This is Hey Sailor from DIY Paint, and the base is mint chip, and I used Apothecary over that. It's got more of a gray in it. I wasn't going to do drippy, but y'all look how that's dripping. See my arm jiggle. Don't even lie. Water or the putty knife be the last thing always. It'll always look organic. I'll spray this first so it blends. Look at that. I want y'all to look at that. So good. Read them and respond. So if you want to ask a question or say something, say it. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Do it. I'm gonna walk away from that before I ruin it. And I also might say, hi Christy. Okay y'all. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll see what I need to do to it after that. The next layer will be, or if it's just good like it is, and I'll put a clear wax on. If y'all have not subscribed, I would love it if you would. I don't know, look how pretty that is. And y'all saw me do it. Thanks for watching, you guys.